sklearn, metrics, pairwise, RBF kernel. Description: the radial basis function RBF kernel, also known as the Gaussian kernel, is a popular kernel function used in machine learning for measuring the similarity between two data points. It is commonly used in support vector machines (SVMs) and other kernel methods. Inputs: X a 2D array of shape n samples 1. N features representing the first set of data points. Y a 2D array of shape n samples 2. N features representing the second set of data points. If Y is none, it is assumed to be equal to X, resulting in a pairwise kernel computation between all pairs of points in X. Gamma, a float value representing the gamma parameter of the RBF kernel. Gamma controls the width of the Gaussian function. A smaller gamma value results in a wider Gaussian function, leading to greater similarity between distant points. A larger gamma value results in a narrower Gaussian function, leading to higher similarity between closer points. Outputs: K a 2D array of shape n samples 1. N samples 2 containing the pairwise RBF kernel values for all pairs of data points in X and Y. Each element key J represents the similarity between the ith sample in X and the jth sample in Y. Steps: calculate the Euclidean distance between all pairs of data points in X and Y. Apply the Gaussian function to the calculated distances using the specified gamma parameter. The Gaussian function has the form express gamma distance 2. The resulting values from the Gaussian function are the pairwise RBF kernel values, stored in the output array K. Metrics: none. The function itself does not compute any metrics, but the calculated RBF kernel values can be used as input for other metrics. Visualization plots: heat map. A heat map can be used to visualize the pairwise RBF kernel values. The X and Y axes represent the data points in X and Y, respectively, and the color intensity represents the similarity between the corresponding points. Scatter plot: a scatter plot can be used to visualize the relationship between two features in X and Y. The color of each point can be determined by the corresponding RBF kernel value, indicating the similarity between pairs of points. Fine-tune parameters: gamma. The gamma parameter controls the width of the Gaussian function and thus the similarity between points. A smaller gamma value results in a wider Gaussian function and a larger gamma value in a narrower Gaussian function. Experiment with different gamma values to find the optimal value for your dataset and task. Uncertainty methods: none. The function does not directly provide uncertainty estimates. However, uncertainty can be estimated by using bootstrap resampling or Bayesian methods. Challenges and fixes: challenge 1: choosing the optimal gamma parameter can be challenging and require trial and error. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1: using a gamma value that is too small can lead to a large number of similar pairs, making it difficult to distinguish between distinct patterns in the data. Conversely, using a gamma value that is too large can result in a small number of similar pairs, limiting the ability to capture complex relationships. Fixes to challenge 1: use cross-validation or grid search to evaluate the performance of the RBF kernel with different gamma values and select the best performing value. Challenge 2: the RBF kernel can be computationally expensive for large datasets. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2: calculating the pairwise distances between all pairs of points in a large dataset can be time-consuming. Fixes to challenge 2: consider using approximate nearest neighbor search methods to reduce computational cost of distance calculations. You can also use a smaller subset of data points for training and then apply the learned model to the full dataset.